Friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to open a folder from the Snackbar, or it's a kind of toast from your Android app. So we'll open downloads folder to demonstrate this. So let's begin. Create an empty project, a Snackbar. Open download folder. You can name this app anything. Okay. I click finish. Wait for my environment to load. It may take a while for the environment to set up based on your ID. Once the environment loads up, I'll also start my app in an emulator on the in Pylon on the right hand side. Yeah. First and foremost, what I'll do is, since we are going to open a folder, downloads folder, so I think I may request the user to give some permission, user permission or users permission of read and write external storage. Okay, so this quickly I'll just finish up as part of my initial setup, and also in activity dot Java file ActivityCompat.requestPermission. No, I'm not sure why this. No. Okay, new string, and then I can create for both the manifest. One was the permission to write, and the other one was for the read. So one by one, I can just have both in this array of the strings. Permission dot write external storage, and then package manager permission granted here. So this line will be responsible to ask the permission from the user. So my emulator has come up on the panel, but right now I'll minimize. I don't need this. I'll also minimize my project navigation pane. Okay. Now I think I'll also create quickly one method public void button a snack bar. I will, of course, this snack bars will mostly we will trigger as a some kind of flow, automated flow, but over here I'll have some kind of event like the button click, on click, button click, and based on that action this should come up, the snack bar should come up, and then we can perform some action. My focus is to show how we can create that action in the snack bar. Okay, so I'll just launch snack bar and name this button so that it's clear that what I'm trying to achieve here is to launch a snack bar from this button. So, and then I'll create this one. Yeah, sounds good. And today I'll also put the default text view. I'll show you why I'm putting it back here. We'll get to know later, just to capture the view, because by default a snack bar will come on the bottom. So if you want to bring it somewhere on the top of the some other view, so this is how I will like to show you. It will be easy. So yeah, nevertheless, coming back to this button, what I'll do is I'll just associate it, the on-click attribute of this, with the method which we defined in this. Perfect. Now if I go back, as part of the initial setup, I'll also quickly create a local class variable of TextView, and for button we don't need, but for TextView we'll need TextView equals to find view by id r.id.textview. Okay, I'm not sure why I gave the dot there. Yeah, no, this looks good. Now in the main method I'll create a snack bar dot make. So with this make method is what we will make, and then we'll this is similar to toast if you have worked with toast, and then we can show it. So make, and then the first argument is view. So for view we have different options. Either we can use a view over here, but this view is of the view of the button which is passing on over here. So what we'll do is, over here we'll get the view of the window, the root of the window, which is basically the app, and get root view. So this will point to the complete layout over here, the view of the complete layout. Now what is the second argument? Second argument was the non-nullable character sequence, which could be some kind of text. So open download folder. You can name it anything based on the, and then third is the range of the duration, so which will be again a snack bar dot length, long, short, whatever. And then if you, there are no different methods which you can call. One is show, which will be responsible to show this. So first and foremost, I'll just quickly run this only and see how it comes up. Okay, so my method is loading up. It asks me to allow the permission. Say yes. Yeah. So see, if you notice in the bottom, my this is launching. The snack bar is coming. Of course, there is no action item, and it is right now at the bottom. So first, let's try to push it and show it somewhere on somewhere in the middle, somewhere on the top of this particular text view. So we will use something called as get, no, not get, set anchor view to set the anchoring of the display of my snack bar. So right now it's coming by default at the bottom, but what if we want it somewhere in middle above this text view? So we can just put text view. That's why we in this code I initialize this text view just for that purpose. So if you notice, now it's coming in the middle. If you want to launch in the or show it in the top, you can also put it just the view, and that will be sufficient. So now if I rerun it and click, so it's coming on the top. So that's how you can set the position wherever you want using the view of the respective widget. Okay, now we'll set the action. So we'll keep it as text view, which will display basically my anchor somewhere in the middle, the snack bar. And now the other thing, okay, I can set action, and over here the arguments which I need is the character sequence, which is basically the characters which will be displayed in my snack bar, and that could be, you can use as action or click here or whatever. I mean, there are different things which one can use. And the second argument is it is nullable, but nevertheless we need this because we need to implement the action over here. So we can just put view on click listener, and it will give you a method on click. So whatever operations we want to do, we can do it over here, and that will be the action which our app will do. So over here, I want to keep it simple. I'll just create an intent, and using that intent, I'll open the download folder. So new intent, and I can use something called as download manager. I'm not sure why manager, and then action will be view downloads. Yeah, this one, last one is what I'm looking for. Perfect. And then I'll just start this activity, start this intent basically. That's it. I wanted to keep it simple, but yeah, you can use this method to do whatever activity you want to do over here in this particular part. So let's rerun it. I'm expecting that since we have given text view, it will come somewhere in the middle, and then yeah, perfect. And now I got this action button because action is in line number 48, 40 what I've used here. So action is coming. Action click link, and if click it here, so it takes me to the downloads folder where I can choose or do whatever I want to do, and then I can come back to my app again. I can keep it doing again and again. Yeah. So these kind of snack bars are important and useful when, say, for example, you're doing certain operations, say, for example, downloading a file or creating a file, and then you want to give the option to the user to open the file while from the app itself. So you can quickly create this kind of notification, a snack bar, and which can be used by the user to do certain activity. So that's all I wanted to show in this short video, that how quickly and how easily one can implement this snack bar. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.